It is sturdy and made with good quality materials. The only downfall is there's nowhere for the birds to perch and feed. The platform is too small. So we keep it in the ground so they don't have to fly around to get seeds. The lovely scent of cedar will greet you as you open the box upon delivery. As well constructed as any you'd find in big box hardware store, if not better. The bottom and roof extends around the suet holders. Majority of the birds in my area seem to prefer this, especially during wet weather. I took the plexiglass out of one feeder for a tray style for the different types of birds in my area. It isn't squirrel-proof, but I've had a squirrel and bird sharing a meal on it at the same time. One improvement would be to crimp the top of the mounting cord to create a loop to prevent the feeder from tilting when there is a heavier visitor on one side than the other. Very easy to fill with seed, suet blocks, and other food. We have had some mice hanging around and can climb up the pole the feeder is hanging from. I have remedied that by oiling the pole and putting some Vaseline on the crook of the pole. I also put a roof over it so it does not get the feed wet. Problem solved. Came pre-assembled and ready to go. Easy load, easy to hang and easy to see the seed level from inside the house. I love the double suet cages. Nice little bird feeder. I love the natural look. The cedar smelled excellent when unboxing. Love the side suet holders. My only complaint is it is a bit difficult to fill because the inside is narrow and partially covered by a bar. So, when I fill it, lots of seed spills onto the ground. Otherwise, I like it enough to have bought a second. Our other bird and suet feeder broke because a raccoon got into it and pulled it down, so after some research, I decided to purchase this feeder. As soon as I received this, I opened it and put suet on each side and mealworms in the center, then I hung it up. And almost instantly birds started coming. They seemed to love it. The day after I hung it up there was a bad storm. Tons of wind and rain. And it's still hanging up there with no damage or problems. So I definitely think it's sturdy. I haven't had any more raccoon or squirrel issues either. I'm definitely pleased with my purchase and think it's worth the $26.99 that I paid. And the cedar smells wonderful. Click link in description for more reviews.